Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma TS3751i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges and also load the paper. You take the power cable, connect it at the back, plug it onto the socket to the power. This printer is switch the printer on and off from this button. This button is wireless connect button, information button, and also you have warning lights on top of this. We see B is for black, C is for color, 3.7 centimeter LCD screen. This button is for you to select the particular paper, then select OK to confirm. This button is cancel button. This button is for you to copy black, and this button is for you to copy color. Now we're going to install the ink cartridges that came with this printer. If you open up the cover down, then black ink cartridge goes to the right, the colored one goes to the left. So pull off this plastic, then you go in, pull down the blue holder, then you go in to the black, then pull it up, do the same thing to color, pull off the plastic, then pull the blue holder, then you go in to the color. Make sure you put the holder back up. If you want to remove the ink cartridges, just pull the holder down, then you remove the ink. So black goes to the right, colored one goes to the left. Then close the cover, and you give the printer time to recognize the ink cartridges. Now it's showing us A4 on the screen, showing us A4. So you take A4 paper, go to the back of the printer and load A4. This is A4. If you are loading 4x6, when you load the paper, then you adjust it with the clip. If you load 4x6, the smooth part need to be up. The rough part need to be at the back. The smooth part need to face you. Then you adjust it so you can load 4x6. The maximum paper you can load here is A4. So this is how to install the ink cartridges and also load the paper. If you select this button, then you select the paper. It will show you from the screen. So keep pressing it until you reach to the paper you are using, A4, then you select OK. So the paper now is showing us A4. So this is how to install the ink cartridges and also load the paper. This printer is Canon Pixma TS3751. So once you load the paper and also install the ink, the paper in terms of for you to load photo paper, make sure the smooth part face up. The rough part need to be at the back for you to be able to print photo from this printer. And also you need to confirm the photo or the paper you are using. So if you want to print 4x6 photo paper, you need to load 4x6 and also confirm it from this button. Once you select the particular paper, then you select OK to confirm. If you look inside, you will see that it's showing us A4 paper. So this is how to load the paper and also install the ink cartridges for this printer. Thank you very much indeed.